In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Calendly with ease in our full 2025 guide. Whether you're updating your profile for personal reasons or rebranding your professional presence, this process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to Calendly. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in calendly.com. Or if you have it bookmarked, simply click on it in your bookmarks. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you'll see the option to log in if you're not already logged in. Make sure you use the credentials associated with the account where you want to change the name. Once you are successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to your profile. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon, usually represented by your profile picture or initials. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Profile. It will take you directly to your profile settings page. Now that you're in your profile settings, the next step is to edit your name. Locate the section labeled Name. Here, you'll see the current name that is set on your profile. To change it, click on the name field. You can now delete the existing name and type in your new desired name. Make sure the spelling is correct and that it's exactly how you would like it to appear on all outgoing communications. After you've entered your new name, it's important not to forget to save your changes. Beneath the name field, you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on this button to ensure that your new name is updated in the system. Once you hit save, Calendly will update your profile with the new name instantly. That's all it takes. In just these steps, you've successfully changed your name on your Calendly profile. Remember, this updated name is what people will see when they receive invitations or interact with your scheduling link, so it's crucial to ensure it's accurate. If you ever need to make further changes, you can always revisit these steps. This process ensures your Calendly profile is personalized to fit your current branding or personal preference. Thank you for following along with this guide. We hope this tutorial makes it easier for you to keep your Calendly profile up to date. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides in our future videos.